Question 28. The diagram shows a structure of a flower. Which row correctly matches the adaptation of this flower with its method of pollination? So some methods of pollination includes insect pollination or wind pollination. And in this diagram, we see the first structural adaptation as the anthers being located outside of the flower. It is dangling outside of the flower. And also another structural adaptation of the stigma, where it has a very feathery structure. Therefore, we can eliminate A because the adaptation is not having the anther inside the flower. It is in fact outside the flower. And stigma being inside of the flower is also not an adaptation because naturally stigmas are found inside the flower. And the specific adaptation that we have to mention in this case for the stigma is the feathery structure. The method of pollination for this flower is likely to be by wind, because the anthers dangling outside of the flower makes it easier for the pollen to be caught by the wind and carried by the wind to the stigma of another flower. And the feathery adaptation of the stigma makes it easier for the stigma to catch these pollen grains that were transported by the wind. Therefore, the method of pollination is not likely to be by insect pollination, but is by the wind pollination method. Therefore, C will be the correct answer.